Ever wondered how you can enhance your blood flow and keep your body at its peak performance? Get ready to supercharge your health and vitality. In this video, we'll uncover 6 incredible supplements that are sure to boost your blood flow and circulation, helping you feel your best and achieve optimal well-being. Welcome to VitaMentz, your ultimate guide to holistic health and wellness, offering expert insights and practical tips for optimizing your well-being. Your heart acts like a powerful pump, pushing blood through a vast network of blood vessels that crisscross your entire body. This intricate system ensures that every nook and cranny of your body receives the essential resources it needs to function properly. Think of it as a bustling highway system, with blood cells zipping around instead of cars. Now let's talk about some issues related to blood circulation. One of the most significant factors that can hamper this process is lifestyle choices. If you have a poor diet, chow down on junk food, and neglect proper nutrition, it can affect the quality of your blood flow. Smoking is another big no-no as it damages blood vessels and decreases circulation efficiency. Physical activity is crucial to maintaining a healthy circulatory system. If you lead a sedentary life and hardly move around, it can slow down the blood flow, leading to potential problems. Moreover, improper posture can also be a sneaky culprit. Slouching or sitting in awkward positions for extended periods can put pressure on blood vessels, hindering the flow and causing discomfort. In the last video, we discussed L-arginine and L-citrulline, 2 key amino acids that play a vital role in blood circulation. If you missed it, be sure to check out our video for valuable insights on how these amino acids can help improve your circulatory system. Stay informed and take steps towards a healthier you. Now that we understand the importance of blood flow and circulation, let's explore 6 supplements that can significantly support and enhance these essential bodily processes. Counting down at number 6. Garlic. Not only does it add some delicious flavor to your food, but it also has some fantastic health benefits. Studies have shown that garlic can help lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation, both of which are beneficial for arteriosclerosis. So consider adding garlic to your meals, especially when cooking pasta. It's easy and effective. The recommended daily dosage is about 600 milligrams to 1.5 grams. And the best part is that there's no upper limit. Just beware of potential bad breath and stomach issues, but the heart, immune system, and inflammation benefits are worth it. Number 5. Resveratrol. Resveratrol is found in grapes and red wine. This little gem is known for its ATP decoupling, which means it helps you burn calories and aids in weight loss. But that's not all. Resveratrol also works wonders in reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. You can get it in powder form or through other sources, and a daily intake of around 250 milligrams is recommended. It's great for your heart, arteries, and brain function. A win-win. Number 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. They might not be as important as vitamin D, but they're still incredibly helpful. Omega-3s are well studied for reducing inflammation, lowering triglycerides, and targeting risk factors associated with arteriosclerosis. We often consume too much omega-6 fatty acids, which can lead to inflammation and arterial stiffening. Omega-3s balance things out and are essential for heart health. Just be careful when choosing a supplement and ensure it contains at least 50% EPA and DHA to get the real deal. Number 3. Green tea. A delightful beverage that's rich in antioxidants. Green tea can do wonders for your heart health, protecting it from atherosclerosis and arteriosclerosis. Studies back this up, showing that green tea can lower the risk of coronary arterial disease. It's easy to incorporate into your routine, and the recommended dosage is 2 to 3 cups a day or 270 to 1,200 milligrams per day of the extract. Enjoy the heart-boosting benefits of green tea, but don't overdo it, as excessive consumption can lead to some GI issues, insomnia, and iron deficiency anemia. Before we continue, I'd really appreciate your support. If you're enjoying the content, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Your support keeps us going and helps us create more valuable content. Now let's continue with our last 2 supplements and learn more about improving our blood flow and circulation. Number 2. Glutathione. This molecule plays a crucial role in detoxification, cell repair, and immune system function. This mighty antioxidant boosts nitric oxide levels by fighting off those pesky free radicals that can harm nitric oxide molecules. To keep your glutathione levels up as you age, make sure to include plenty of sulfur-rich foods in your diet, like mushrooms, garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables. Alternatively, you can opt for supplements that contain glutathione precursors such as N-acetylcysteine or glutamine. And number 1, hawthorn berry. Hawthorn berry is a gem in traditional Chinese medicine for treating high blood pressure. This small, red fruit is packed with antioxidants that work wonders in opening up your arteries and promoting blood flow. Not only that, but hawthorn berry also enhances the absorption of L-citrulline and beetroot extract when taken together. It's like a one-punch for improving your circulatory system. As a quick disclaimer, the content we offer is for informational purposes only. Please contact your doctor regarding any health-related questions. Alright, now you might be wondering, what causes poor circulation? While various factors may contribute to poor blood circulation, here are a few we'd like to point out. Poor blood circulation can result from various causes, and some common culprits include diabetes, which can damage blood vessels and hamper blood flow. Narrowing of blood vessels and arteries, often caused by factors like high blood pressure and cholesterol, can restrict the smooth passage of blood. Blood clots are another concern, as they can block blood flow and lead to serious health issues. Additionally, obesity can strain the circulatory system, making it less efficient in delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Varicose veins, those enlarged and twisted veins, can also contribute to poor circulation by disrupting the flow of blood back to the heart. Other significant factors include smoking, which damages blood vessels and reduces blood flow, as well as a sedentary lifestyle, which can lead to weakened circulation due to lack of physical activity. Understanding these additional causes is vital in addressing and improving blood circulation for overall better health. When it comes to poor circulation, recognizing the symptoms is crucial for timely intervention and treatment. Watch out for signs such as joint and muscle pain, which can indicate compromised blood flow to these areas. Digestive problems may also arise as blood supply to the gastrointestinal tract may be affected. Cold hands and feet are common symptoms, as decreased blood flow to the extremities can lead to chilly sensations. Leg ulcers may develop due to inadequate circulation, leading to delayed wound healing. Numbness and tingling in the hands and feet are frequent complaints, and changes in skin color may be noticeable due to reduced blood flow. Swelling can occur as fluid accumulates in tissues due to compromised circulation. Moreover, keep an eye out for any cognitive problems that may arise from insufficient blood flow to the brain. Being aware of these symptoms can prompt you to seek medical attention and take necessary steps to improve your blood circulation and overall well-being. Maintaining a healthy blood flow and circulation is essential for us. We can take proactive steps to improve our circulatory health. To explore more transformative vitamins and supplements and their benefits, make sure to check out our playlist for a wealth of valuable information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the journey to wellness.